Alright, here we go.
Worry about yourself. Don't you worry about me. Worry about yourself. Don't you think about me.
Alright, boys just stopped at a little Chipotle here, Tallahassee, Florida. It's capital of Florida. It's pretty cool. Never been there. What do you think? How's the trip going?
Well, you know what? You had a nice snooze.
I did have a nice snooze. I napped for a little bit.
Well,
I feel
several
great
hours
right now.
in.
I feel great.
Solid, huh?
I feel great now. I'm ready to go. Let's go hike a mountain, dude. Honestly, that's how I'm feeling right now. So we're here at Lakewood Park, Britton Hill, at Lakewood Park, highest point in Florida. 345 feet. We parked here, and that's the point over there. It's not even a hike. Literally just parked in the car, got out, and we walked over, took our picture with the thing, and now we're done. So I guess that's it. I guess now we're just getting back in the car.
We're getting in the car, going to Montgomery.
All right.
And away we go.
All right, day 2 here. Just had a nice breakfast and everything. I mean, I had a good breakfast. Jay wasn't so happy with his breakfast here. But now where are we going? The Legacy Museum?
We're going to go to the Legacy Museum.
Learn about some nice history down here in Alabama, and then...
not necessarily nice history here. It wasn't
I
nice.
didn't want to...
Yeah, it wasn't nice.
I know, but...
Yeah, I heard you're going to cry.
I'm going to cry?
They say if you don't cry when you're at this museum, you're not breathing.
Oh.
That's kind of something, right?
All right, yeah, I guess so. All right, so apparently we're supposed to cry, and then we're going up to Cheaha State Park.
Yep.
Gonna hike the highest point in Alabama.
An actual hike today.
Actual hike. I think it said, what was it, like 500 feet?
No, about 2,700 maybe.
2,700, so it's not bad. So, we'll catch you later. Hey. No, I'm kidding. Okay, we're here at the Birmingham Zoo. Got the whole place to ourselves. What do you think so far?
Well, I think it's pretty good. We just saw a pack of coyotes come chasing after us through a big glass thing. We've seen elephants, we've seen zebra, we've seen lions, we've seen...
Thoughts?
Well, hey, we've got the serious white rhinoceros here. There's 2 of them. And let me just say I'm happy I'm on this side of the fence with them. Kind of docile right now. I think he just snorted at us. Did you snort at us? You betcha he did.
Mood. Now what?
I'm gonna talk about that pride and joy of mine tonight. Steven.
Dad? This dude's booing. Okay, finished the Memphis Zoo. What do you think?
Well, it was wet, it was cold. We braved it just like the animals in the zoo did. It's our second zoo. It's our second zoo, and both times they were raining. So we had rain gear, we were ready. Basically had the zoos to ourselves. This was fantastic.
Yeah, I thought it was a good zoo.
Yep.
Missed a couple of the animals that they highlighted.
They were not there, but Cat Country was pretty
Cat
cool.
Country was impressive.
The Teton area was great with the elk and the grizzly bear. That was pretty cool.
All right, cool. Well, we're here at the Memphis airport. That concludes our trip for now. We're a little early, about 3 hours early for our flight, so we got everything done, but now we're done. Here we are, just chilling. Got everything?
Oh, you're great. Thank you.
Got
Popeye's biscuit.
Where are we at right now? We're in Atlanta.
Yeah.
Flight's been delayed a little bit. Need a little snack. All right.